Hello friends, this is Gayathri Sarun. In this video, we will have a look about Banking Awareness Part 3, which is nothing but subsidiaries and functions of Reserve Bank of India. Okay. Before looking into subsidiary of RBI, I'll explain you few things. Before and all, the total number of organization which worked as a subsidiary of RBI are totally 6 numbers. Now 2 of the organization has been removed, and out of 6, 4 numbers is now working as a subsidiary of RBI, and rest of the 2 organization is working as a separate firm for the development of a particular sector. Okay, so we will look into it one by one in this video for the subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. First one is Dicgc, and the abbreviation for this is Deposit Insurance Credit Guaranteed Corporation, and it was set up under Dicgc Act 1961, and the head of Dicgc is Sri K.K. Ohra, and the credit and insurance executive is MD Patra. He is one of the deputy governor of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, and the headquarters for Dicgc is in Mumbai, and it was established in 1978. Okay, and I'll give you a short detail about what's the function of Dicgc. If you are depositing a money in bank, if sometimes bankruptcy or bank got devolved, what will happen to our money? And here come Dicgc. They'll give a insurance to your money, and the maximum insurance limit is 5 lakhs. In case of bankruptcy or bank devolve, they'll give you the insurance for the amount which you are deposited in the bank. What and all the accounts will be covered in this Dicgc means savings account will be covered, fixed deposit will be covered, and recurring deposit amount will be covered. Okay, and how they will work, I'll just give you an example. If you are deposited 3 lakhs in the fixed deposit, okay, the annual interest which you are earning from this fixed deposit is 3,000 rupees. So on an annual basis, you will get a 3 lakh 3,000 as a sum plus interest amount. If the bankruptcy happened, the Dicgc will come into picture, and they will return your 3 lakh 3,000 fixed deposit amount along with the interest to your account. Okay, in other scenario, if you deposited 5 lakhs and or else 8 lakhs, and the interest which you are earning on an early basis is 8,000, so total amount which Dicgc will need to return is 8 lakh and 8,000, but the maximum insurance cover for Dicgc is 5 lakh. So they'll return only 5 lakhs to you. Okay. So what and all the banks will be covered under Dicgc Act? All commercial bank, public sector bank, the foreign banks which are functioning in India, and local area bank and regional rural bank are covered under Dicgc. Okay, and what all the accounts will be covered in Dicgc? Savings account, recurring deposit, and fixed deposit. Okay, this is the detailed description about Dicgc, and the insurance will not be provided for non-banking finance services, since they cannot accept demand deposits. Okay, and next subsidiary for Reserve Bank of India is Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. In short, they'll call it as BRBNMPL. Okay, and the headquarters of Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited is in Bangalore, and the function is it will supervise the note issuing authority of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, the Reserve Bank of India, I already said, is the sole authority for issuing the currency notes, and Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited will supervise the note issuing. Okay, and the currency it also supervises the note issuing. Also, it involved in currency printing and coin minting. Currency they will call it as a printing, and coin they will call it as a minting. Okay, so currently the currency printing places is in Salboni, West Bengal, and Mysore, which is in Karnataka. So 2 places where the currency will be printed in India. And coin minting, in 4 places the coin will be minted. It will be in Mumbai, Noida, Hyderabad, and Kolkata. Okay, how can we able to differentiate between these coins is, if you see backside of the coin, if the symbol is a diamond, it's manufactured in Mumbai. if there is a dot in the back side of the coin, it's manufactured in Noida. And if you see a asteroid symbol back of the coin, it was manufactured in Hyderabad. If no symbol is available back of the coin, it was manufactured in Kolkata. So by this way we can able to find out where the coins was minted. Okay. And third subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India is Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited. We don't have much information about this because it's for cyber security support. And Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran is for supervising note issuing. No, same way it's for cyber security support. Okay. And one more, I said no, totally 4 subsidiaries are there for Reserve Bank of India. Fourth one is Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services, which is the last subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. This organization is mainly involved in innovative ideas and smoothening the function of bank. So it will maintain any innovative ideas to be implemented in Reserve Bank of India, and this organization will ensure the bank process is going well in Reserve Bank of India. Okay, this is the 4 subsidiaries of RBI, and I already said no, 2 more was before worked as a subsidiary of RBI, but now it got separated and working as a separate organization. The first one is NHB, and the expansion for this National Housing Bank. Okay, and the headquarters for this NHB is in Delhi, and it was established under NHB Act 1987 and was established in 1988. Okay, it's a regulatory body for a housing loan home finance sector. So like Reserve Bank of India is a regulatory body for governing body for all other banks, no? So NHB is a regulatory body for housing loan and home finance sector. Okay. Next one is second thing, which was before subsidiary of RBI and now it got segregated as a separate organization, is Nabard. Already we have aware of it, no? Nabard. The expansion for Nabard is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It was established under Nabard Act 1981. Okay, it was established in 1982, and the function is RRB regulated by RBI and managed by Nabard. Regional rural banks has been regulated by RBI, but it was managed by Nabard because regional rural banks has been mainly developed for the development of rural areas, and it was managed by Nabard. So Nabard is nothing but National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, no? So this RRBs has been managed by Nabard, and it also managed rural financial companies like NBFCs all has been regulated by Nabard as well. Okay, so this is all about the subsidiaries of Reserve Bank of India, and we have seen two more organization which was previously as a subsidiary of RBI, and now it got separated, and which will not fall under subsidiary of RBI, which is nothing but NHB and Nabard. Okay, next we will have a look about functions of RBI. First and foremost function is monetary policy, and RBI is the maker of monetary policy. In future videos I'll explain, I'll take a separate video for monetary policy. Okay, because this is an important topic to be noted, and RBI is the creator for a monetary policy. And second thing is bankers bank, and RBI will act as a governing body for all other banks in India, and whenever the other banks need any loan, it will be RBI will issue a loan to that bank to enhance the functioning of that bank. Okay, and already we know that RBI is the sole authority for issuer of currency. Okay, before 1956 the currency was issued under separate policy. Before 1956 they have followed a separate policy for issuing the currency, but after 1957 the currency was issued under minimum reserve system. Minimum reserve system in the sense RBI is the sole authority for providing the currency and coin minting, no? So RBI cannot print currency and coin as such as their wish. They also have some rules and regulations for coin minting as well as currency printing. Okay, so this rules and regulations will be followed under minimum reserve system. Okay, out of which 115 crore is a gold, 85 crore foreign currency. In minimum reserve system there should be some reserves in which 1015 crores should be in the form of gold and 85 crores should be in the form of foreign currency in Reserve Bank of India. Based on the reserve only the currency will be printed. Okay, whenever they are preparing to print the currency or mint the coin, they will check this minimum reserve system, in which 115 crores should be in the form of gold and 85 crores should be in the form of foreign currency. Okay, foreign exchange manager based on FEMA Act. So Reserve Bank will act as a foreign exchange manager, and RBI will act as a foreign exchange manager based on a FEMA Act 1999. Okay, and FEMA expansion for FEMA is Foreign Exchange Management Act. Okay, and RBI will act as a banker to the government whenever the government need any cash or any loan. The Reserve Bank of India will act as a banker to the government to provide the loans. Okay, and our Reserve Bank of India is the lender of last resort. If we didn't get money from, if the bank or government didn't get money from any other banks or any other source, Reserve Bank of India will be the last resort to lend the money. So okay, this is nothing but lender of last resort. Okay, so this is all about subsidiary and functioning of Reserve Bank of India. In our next video we will have a look about monetary policy, which is one of the main function of Reserve Bank of India. I hope this video will help you for your future examination. Thank you so much.